navigate around an Excel sheet without a mouse, use the arrow keys with either Control or Shift, depending on what you want to do. So Control up moves to the top of your selection, Control right to the end of it, Control down, Control left, Control up again. But if you hold down Shift, you highlight as you go. Control to the right, highlights to the right. Control down, highlights everything down. Control left, highlights back up there. And then Control up in this case would do that. Now, if you are outside of data areas and you do this, Control right will take it all the way to the end of the spreadsheet, and Control left will take you to the nearest data. And that works in all directions. Control down, Control up, again, Control up. Also, if you hit Control Home, you'll go to the top left of the spreadsheet, and Control End will go to the last populated cell on the spreadsheet. But will also, if a cell has previously been populated, it will also highlight that. Again, Control Shift Home will highlight to there, and then you can then go Control Shift Left, Control Shift Down to highlight that area. Once you've done Control Home, you can also do Control End to get everything highlighted. I've pulled together this one-page cheat sheet of all the everyday essential Excel shortcuts. I'm giving this away today completely free. Just click on the link and I'll send you this straight away. Don't waste any more time in Excel. Get this free cheat sheet right now. Click the link.